Hey, man, can we talk?
Yeah, sure, what's up?
I have been thinking a lot about what happened recently, and I feel like we need to address it.
What do you mean?
You know exactly what I mean. The money that went missing from my wallet last week. I found out it was you who took it.
Look, I know what I did was wrong, and I'm truly sorry. I don't even know what came over me. It was stupid, impulsive, and I regret it so much.
It's not just about the money, though. It's about the breach of trust. I thought I could count on you, man.
I know, and I can't even begin to express how sorry I am. I messed up big time, and I don't blame you if you can't forgive me.
Forgiveness is not something that comes easy, especially in a situation like this. But I also know that you have been a good friend for a long time. That's why this hurts so much.
I understand. I have been beating myself up over this ever since it happened. I don't expect you to trust me right away, but I want you to know that I'm willing to do whatever it takes to make things right.
What do you mean by make things right?
I will do whatever it takes to pay you back. I will work extra hours, sell some of my stuff, anything. I just want to make this right and hopefully earn back your trust someday.
It's going to take time, you know that, right?
I know. And I'm willing to do whatever it takes, even if it means giving you space or facing the consequences of my actions.
Well, I appreciate your honesty and your willingness to make amends. It's not going to be easy, but I'm willing to try and work through this.
Thank you. I understand if things are different between us for a while, but I hope someday we can get back to where we were.
Yeah, me too. Let's take it one step at a time.
Agreed. And once again, I'm really sorry for what I did.
I know. Let's just focus on moving forward from here.
Definitely. Thanks for giving me the chance to talk about this.
Of course. That's what friends are for, right?
Right. And I promise I would not let you down again.
I hope not. But actions speak louder than words, remember that.
I will. Thanks for being patient with me.
No problem. Now let's just try to enjoy the rest of the day and put this behind us for now.
Agreed. Thanks, man.
So, how have you been feeling lately? This whole situation must be weighing heavily on you.
Honestly, I have been feeling terrible. Guilt is eating me up inside. I can't believe I did something so stupid and hurtful.
I can imagine. It's not easy to confront our own mistakes, especially when they have such a significant impact on someone else.
Yeah, I have been doing a lot of soul-searching lately. I realize now that I have some issues I need to work on, like impulse control and honesty.
It's good that you are recognizing that. Acknowledging our flaws is the first step toward personal growth.
I just hope I can make it up to you somehow. I know saying sorry is not enough, but it's all I can offer right now.
It's a start. But actions definitely speak louder than words. I will need to see some real effort and change from you.
I understand. And I'm committed to making those changes. I don't want to lose your trust or our friendship over something so foolish.
That means a lot to me. Trust is not easily regained, but I'm willing to give you a chance if you are serious about making things right.
I am. I will do whatever it takes. And if there's anything specific you need from me to rebuild that trust, just let me know.
Thanks, I appreciate that. For now, let's just focus on moving forward positively. Dwelling on the past would not do us any good.
Agreed. Let's learn from this experience and use it to strengthen our friendship.
Sounds like a plan. And hey, if you ever feel tempted to do something like this again, I hope you will remember this conversation and think twice.
I will. I never want to hurt you or anyone else like this ever again.
I believe you. Let's put this behind us and focus on better days ahead.
Absolutely. Thanks for being understanding, despite everything.
That's what friends are for, right? Let's support each other through the good times and the bad.
Definitely. And I promise I will be a better friend from now on.
I believe you. Let's take it one day at a time. So, moving forward, how do you suggest we handle things? Do you have any ideas on how we can rebuild trust and move past this?
Well, I was thinking maybe we could set some boundaries or guidelines for our friendship moving forward. Like, maybe I should not have access to your personal belongings without your permission for a while, just to rebuild trust.
That sounds reasonable. It might help both of us feel more comfortable and secure in our friendship. And it's not just about preventing something like this from happening again, it's also about establishing mutual respect and understanding.
Exactly. I also think it might be helpful for us to communicate more openly about our feelings and concerns. That way, if either of us is struggling with something, we can address it before it becomes a bigger issue.
I agree completely. Communication is key in any relationship, especially in situations like this where trust has been damaged. We need to be able to talk to each other openly and honestly about how we are feeling.
Definitely. And if there's anything you need from me to feel more comfortable or secure in our friendship, please don't hesitate to let me know. I want to do everything I can to make things right.
Thank you, I appreciate that. And likewise, if there's anything I can do to support you through this process of making amends and rebuilding trust, I'm here for you.
Thanks, that means a lot. I know I have a lot of work to do to earn back your trust, but I'm committed to doing whatever it takes.
I believe you. It would not be easy, but I think we can get through this if we are both willing to put in the effort and be patient with each other.
Agreed. I'm grateful for your forgiveness and your willingness to give me another chance. I would not let you down again, I promise.
I trust that you mean that. Let's focus on the future and making our friendship stronger than ever.
Absolutely. Thanks again for being so understanding and supportive.
Of course. That's what friends are for, right? Let's learn from this experience and grow together.
Definitely. Here's to better days ahead.
Cheers to that. And hey, I want you to know that despite what happened, I still value our friendship. We have been through a lot together, and I believe we can overcome this obstacle too.
Thank you, that really means a lot to me. I value our friendship too, and I'm determined to prove that I'm worthy of your trust again.
I know you are. And remember, nobody's perfect. We all make mistakes, but what's important is how we learn and grow from them.
You are right. I have definitely learned a hard lesson from this, and I'm committed to becoming a better person because of it.
That's all anyone can ask for. So, let's focus on the positive steps we can take from here on out. Maybe we can plan some fun activities or outings to help us reconnect and move past this rough patch.
I love that idea. Spending quality time together could definitely help us rebuild our bond. And it will give us a chance to create some new, positive memories to replace the negative ones.
Exactly. Plus, it'll be a good reminder of why our friendship is worth fighting for. We have shared so many great times together, and I believe there are many more to come.
Agreed. I'm looking forward to putting this behind us and focusing on all the good things ahead. And I promise to always be honest and respectful of our friendship from now on.
That's all I can ask for. Let's leave the past where it belongs and move forward with positivity and trust.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks again for giving me another chance, and I would not let you down.
I believe you. Now let's go out there and make some new memories together.
Absolutely. Here's to a fresh start and a stronger friendship. Cheers, my friend.
Cheers! To new beginnings and a stronger bond between us.
To new beginnings. I'm grateful for your forgiveness and your willingness to move forward with me.
It's all about moving forward together. We are in this together, through thick and thin.
Absolutely. And I will do everything in my power to prove that I'm worthy of your trust again.
I know you will. Just remember, actions speak louder than words. So let's make every action count from here on out.
Agreed. I would not let you down. And if there's ever anything you need from me, whether it's a listening ear or a helping hand, I'm here for you.
Thanks, I appreciate that. And likewise, I'm here for you too. We are a team, no matter what.
That means a lot. It's reassuring to know that our friendship is strong enough to weather any storm.
Absolutely. We've been through a lot together, and I believe we are stronger because of it.
I could not agree more. So here's to us and to the many adventures that lie ahead.
Here to us, and to a bright future filled with laughter, love, and trust.
Cheers to that. Let's make it happen, my friend.